This one is at the back. Part 2 na to. Kasi gi-off ni Sisi instead that I make it long sway. What's that? For the video on Sisi also she off ay man. Oh. Okay, oh. So this one in the outside, at the back side, this one. Ayan yung pulmon, oh. Ayun. Nandoon yung maraming. Nandoon yung andyan si Sisi. Kasi hindi naman siya she cannot go up there because she is scared and their cousin and the cousins of June and the kids become here already. So that's why that one individual. This one is parang wing. Ayan, maraming mapagpilian talaga. Nandoon yung nag-riding nag-ikot-ikot yan. Siyempre ayan yung slide, ayun yung malaki. Pulmon. Yung in the center, that is for sitting down. If they want to make dinner like that one, so this one also is the playground, play section. Ayan nandoon. Ito naman yung sa labas. Ayan as of what I'm feeling, this side is very big, and there is another side. The front. We cannot go out because we are paying. If we go out, we cannot pay again. And the money is for June. Oh, that one is the playground. Yan, doon sa kabila, and the another gate. Oh, and the another gate. Because as of what I'm feeling, this one is very big. Oh, yun yung playground yan. Diyan sa loob. Ayan si Sisi. Iintin na lang si Sisi. Nandoon. Yung pinakadulo doon pa yan. Doon banda. Yan doon sa kabilang pintuan yan. Nandoon yung entrance ng heart nila na ano. Okay, so ganun yun. Kaya pwede akong mag-ano ng video naman dito. Isasara na naman yan ni Sisi. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. And bye. Bye.